Hello everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today we're going to bring out to you what's been new and exciting here at E.C.D during the month of January. We start off with Project Marco Island, an incredible E-Type roadster painted in light blue metallic with a light tan interior. This car also features a removable hardtop, manual 6-speed transmission, and also custom Barani wheels, handmade in Italy. Then we jump into Project Byron, a stunning Defender 110 soft top with black con alloy wheels and mini accents throughout that make it truly special. We also had one of our latest Defender 110s from our E.C.D by Chelsea Truck Company custom builds. The truck is absolutely stunning with black accents throughout the car, Carpathian gray exterior and metallic finish that complement the car extremely well. And then to wrap up the month, we have Project Belltown, the most powerful Range Rover Classic we built to date. Built with an amazing LS supercharged V8 engine, it certainly roars like a muscle car while retaining the classic charm of a Range Rover. This was also a 25th anniversary edition build, which displays some of those accent points throughout the vehicle. You'll also find feature articles onto how to add modern safety into a classic vehicle without losing its soul, and also a step-by-step guide on how to restore a Defender. Now, our video of the month is based on Project Pelican, which is an incredible Defender 110 soft top, bright blue with caramel interior, synthetic teak wood in the back, a very unique Pelican silhouette marked on the headrests, as well as the stamp in the back to bring it all together. Our client's vision was for a very nautical feel on a vehicle such as this, and I think we got it spot on with Project Pelican. Now, to watch the full video, don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, where we showcase all of our vehicles. And while you're visiting our YouTube channel, don't forget to check out our E.C.D virtual test drive so you can experience firsthand how our clients come down to our facility and take one of our vehicles for an actual test drive. Now, in our press features of the month, we highlight Project Inizio, which is a Land Rover Series 3 88 with a modern twist, as well as Project Pelican, which I described earlier today. For more details on both of these, please visit our press features on our website. Now, this month, E.C.D will be attending the 2026 Festivals of Speed down in St. Petersburg. Now, this event will take place on February 15th, which is a Sunday, in Vinoy Park, St. Petersburg, Florida, between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Visit our events page to RSVP. Now, don't forget, 2026 County Collection builds are still available for summer delivery. Please visit our website for more information on these. Be sure to follow us on all of our social channels at E.C.D Auto Design.